MacVoices is supported by Smile, the makers of world-class software like Text Expander. Find out about all their great utilities at smilesoftware.com. MacVoices is at CES Unveiled in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. Folks, during our gift guide shows in December, we had a lot of products picked. One of them was the Blink cameras that I was not familiar with at the time. And then a couple weeks later, Blink was acquired by Amazon. But I'm happy to talk to Don of Blink. He's here. They're showing some new stuff, which is really exciting. Don, welcome.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
So tell me about Blink.
Well, Blink was announced first at CES 2 years ago. We announced the Blink camera, and it was very successfully received. Last year, we announced the Blink XT camera, which is the weatherproof camera. Both of them won awards, went on to sell lots and lots of units. And this year, we're announcing the Blink Video Doorbell, which is a sister to all these products, works in the same system, has the same 2-year battery life, and ultra-low price points because of the underlying technology that we bring to bear here at Blink.
So, I've after the gift guide show, I did a little research on it, but tell me first about the cameras, as far as battery life or how they're used, how they're powered, what kind of range they have.
Right. So, the hallmark of Blink really goes back to the chip technology that's inside. We started out life as a semiconductor vendor selling chips for other people to make cameras. Those chips were designed by our team and have several key assets in them. One is that they have a very low-cost architecture, so that allows us to get a really good price point. They also draw very little power, which means we get great battery life. So these cameras operate on 2 AA lithium batteries. You can buy them at any CVS or Walgreens, and they'll last for over 2 years if you use them at a sort of a nominal rate, maybe 10 to 12 times a day. So that's where we get the really long battery life. It's fundamentally a technology advantage that was brought to bear by the engineering that we did on the chips that power these cameras.
10 to 12 times a day, define what you mean by using them 10 to 12 times a day.
There's 2 modes of operation. One is that you can just with your phone turn the camera on and see what's going on. Another is that there's a motion sensor. When the motion sensor is armed and it triggers based on somebody walking by it, the camera will grab a clip, send you a notification, send the clip to the cloud, and then you can view the clip. So if any of those things happen 10 or 12 times a day on average, the batteries will last 2 years.
That's reasonable. I mean,
yeah, and that's been verified through, we can never see videos, obviously, those are encrypted, but we can see the patterns of behavior in our back-end system, and that's pretty much how people use it.
Now, are these strictly still capture cameras, or can I turn them on?
Motion video, yeah, absolutely. HD video. The cameras will capture 5 to 60 seconds of a motion clip on motion detection, or you can turn them on live view and watch as long as you want.
Very nice. Now, the doorbell is new, so let's talk about the doorbell.
Yeah, the doorbell is new, and there's a couple of nice things about the doorbell. First of all, they start at $99. So again, an aggressive price point brought about by the fact that we have this great chip technology. The second thing about our doorbell is that it runs on the 2 AA lithium batteries, so you don't actually have to hook it up to power. You can just mount it wherever you like, and it just works. But what's also nice about it is that we can optionally hook up to your wiring and draw power from it, and that'll augment the power of the batteries. But even more important is that often you'll see when people are installing doorbells, they'll ship you a diode or a little transformer or something else that makes the wiring more complicated. Our system automatically detects what you have for wiring, automatically adapts itself to your wiring, and so you don't have to futz around when you hook the doorbell up. It'll just work. So another piece of technology we brought to bear here, all about giving the consumer an easy installation experience. That's really one of the hallmarks of our product. Very easy to install.
Okay, so you mentioned they take a snapshot, send it up to the cloud. We got to ask about security because hopefully it's only I'm looking at it and it's something that I want to see because it shouldn't be happening. But if it's something that might compromise someone's privacy or whatever, you got to worry about that.
Yeah, so we use, everybody refers to bank level security, and we use that same type of security system. It's TLS type of security is the technical word for it. It's encrypted from the camera all the way to the cloud. There's no intermediate points at which it's open and in the clear. It's totally secure. Our account system is also password protected to your account. In the old days, you had people who had the password and the ID be admin or things like that. None of that. This is all, you have to set it up. The cameras all have barcodes in them so that when you onboard them, you get the serial number of the camera onboarded right into the system. So a lot of thought has been put into the security. And so we think we're as secure or are more secure than anything else out there.
Now you said the Doorbell is $99. How about the other two models?
So this also starts at $99, the indoor camera. The outdoor camera starts at $129. The Doorbell is $99 if you have an existing Blink system, and $129 if you're a new user. And there's a hub unit that it comes with. If you have the hub, it's only $99.
Understood. And is the Blink website still active?
Absolutely, yeah. No, the Blink site is still active. Obviously, we were just acquired by Amazon a couple of weeks ago. Very early in the process here of starting to work together. But yeah, the Blink website is still active. We're still selling our products. We still intend to sell our products. Obviously, we're excited about the business opportunity here, and so is Amazon.
And that website is?
www.blink4home, blink, F-O-R-H-O-M-E.com.
Perfect. Don, thank you for the time and congratulations on the acquisition.
Thank you very much. My pleasure.
Folks, more from CES Unveiled in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. This is MacVoices. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our MacVoices Facebook group and get more out of your Apple Tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us at patreon.com/MacVoices and join these folks who help keep MacVoices coming to you. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.